Oh my god, it's me again. Yeah, sorry this isn't a Slimming World video, it's a makeup one. Sorry about that. So today I'm going to be having a first impression of this new Tarte collection thing that they've been selling on QVC for half price. I saw it on Facebook. I was like, oh my god, it's half price, it's Tarte. Click buy. And that was it. And I purchased it and I just got it today. So I'm going to unbox it in front of you and create this makeup look. So if you want to see how that goes, then keep on watching. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that little bell notification somewhere. There's a little bell, otherwise you won't get a notification when I upload a video, and why would you want to miss that? That'd be so sad. Also don't forget you can follow me on my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, what's the other one? Snapchat, all of that is or Suze, so you can follow me there and keep up to date with me. Alright, enough of this little chit chat, let's get into this video and see my naked face. Ew. Alright, let's do this thing. Got my naked face. So, it comes in a brown box, which I've cut open. That's what it looks like when it arrives. I was not expecting that. Tarte High Performance Naturals, shape up your routine. Okay, so let's have a little open. All right. Oh, it's not upside down. Ooh, okay. Ta-da! Oh god, I'm gonna drop it. This is what it comes like. I really hope I've got the right foundation. So it's got a bag, which I'm probably not going to use, but let's have a look at the quality of it. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that feels quite nice actually. Good little zip. Nice little size. Ooh, my god, it's got a free thing of silica gel. Don't need that. What I'm interested in is this foundation right here. So, okay, I think I'm just going to start doing my makeup and talk about what I've got as I go through it. But there's a lipstick, foundation, mascara, sponge and eyeshadow palette. So let's try this foundation. All right, I've primed my skin and moisturised. I've used the Benefit Professional. So this is a little sponge that comes with it. It's got a nice flat side, curved bottom, two flat sides actually. And then this nice little flat edge, I guess, which is good for baking. So I'm going to go and wet that. It's expanded quite a lot actually. It feels really nice and soft and squidgy. I'm excited. Okay, so foundation. I got the shade Sandy Beige, I think it was. Fair Beige. Oh, organised. Right, so it's really hard to colour match online, as you're probably aware. So I'm really hoping. This is the hydrating foundation, which I'm surprised at because I thought I bought the matte one. Never mind, I've been wanting to try more dewy foundations, so let's see. Ooh. It's kind of like the Clinique Beyond Perfecting with the great big applicator, so it's hard to tell. Let's see. It looks okay on screen, but I think it looks a little bit yellow. But then I think most sort of Tarte things have a bit of a yellow tinge to them. I have no idea how much to use. I'm just gonna slap it on. Okay, I think this colour could work. Okay, it seems to be very light coverage up close, but we'll see what it looks like after I've set it with some powder. It smells quite nice, it is a little bit floral, but not overly, which is nice because I don't like stinky foundations. Alright, so there is one layer of foundation. I can still see a little bit of redness here, the redness from a spot is still coming through. Yeah, very light coverage, so I'm gonna put another layer on. I have lots of redness around my nose as well. Okay. Let's see how this blends out. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this spot is just not, it's still bright red. And I have another one here that is still really red. I think there must be some kind of beauty filter on this camera because it's really not translating. But I like it, but it's just, I don't know. I still got so much redness on my cheeks. And that's even with 2 layers. And I wasn't even aware that I had really red cheeks, so... Alright, so I'm going to put some concealer on and set this foundation with some powder and put my eyebrows on, and then I'll be right back. I don't think I like this sponge for doing your eyes, because there's no point on it to like get right into those corners. So I just feel like I'm smudging it as opposed to pressing it in. Like, it's difficult here in this corner. Right, I've just had to put some more concealer on because it just seemed to vanish into this sponge. Okay, slightly better. Look at this. What even is this? When did this happen to me? Oh, I don't recall you being invited to this video, you know, spot. Oh, whatever. Okay, I've just set my under eyes and sort of looking up close in the mirror. I don't think this looks dewy at all. Like, isn't that what it's supposed to be? Hydrating foundation. Like, I thought it was supposed to be dewy looking, but it looks matte. I mean, it's tacky, but that's because I've not set it. Okay, I've just set this side of my face. This side is not set. Does it look any different to you? Or is it just me that thinks they look exactly the same? There is nothing sort of glowy or hydrating looking about this side at all. All right then, Tarte, what you trying to do? Okay, as I was doing my eyebrows, like, I kind of wiped it, and I'm not joking, the whole thing came off. Like, it feels greasy, but I don't know if that's because I'm not used to having a hydrating foundation. Set it with powder, get rid of it. I don't know, it just feels like this is more suited for people with really seriously dry skin. God, I look so weird with my eyebrows and nothing else done. All right, let's move on to eyeshadow. Oh, it's in a little box. Not wild about the packaging. It looks like a little bit girly, Claire's accessories, but whatever. Okay. Ooh. Oh. They're like all shimmers. Except one. How are you meant to create an eye look with that? You see, they're all shimmery except Speak Up here. Alright, I'll just quickly swatch them. Okay, I've just swatched them. So the lightest one is here. You can just see the little bit of reflex there. That's the matte. And then these are all the shimmers. And the highlight is supposed to be there. If you can just about see it. They're a little bit samey, aren't they? Okay, let's just try and do something. Right, oh, okay. I've got my eyelids primed, but I'm gonna have to set them with some powder because there is nothing in here I can use to set them with. So, right, I'm just using my Makeup Obsession matte creamy colour. It's the shade Pearl. So I'm just setting my whole eyelid actually right up to the brow bone. Okay, so I'm going to take the one matte shade in this palette, which is Speak Up. Ooh. Let's see how this looks. It's like a really pale apricot colour. Okay, that's the third time I've dipped into it. This doesn't seem quite as soft and blendable as Tarte eyeshadows that I use usually. Like, Tarte eyeshadows are hands down my absolute favourite in the whole wide world, but I seem to be just going back in and back in, you know? For Tarte, usually it's just dip, done, you know? Okay, it's blended out really nice. It's looking quite yellowy on camera, but I swear it's not. It's really peachy and pale, like really pastel. Very nice for a transition shade. So, what are we going to do next? I think I'm going to have to jump over to another Tarte palette just to give my crease a little bit more depth and definition. So I'm going to jump in with my Tartelette in Bloom palette. Of course I am, it's my favourite. I'm just going to like define my my crease a little bit more. So I think I'm going to use the shade Good Vibes on my lid because it looks like quite a nice sort of warm golden colour as opposed to like a greeny one or something. I always use my finger. Oh, actually, it's kind of like a reflex sort of multi-chrome. That's it. Kind of like a pink to gold shift actually on my finger. It's lovely and soft. Let's press this on. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's got a nice little pink shift to it. That's quite pretty actually. And I'm going to put a little bit of Role Model in this inner corner. Again, using my finger. This colour I am not as crazy about. It just seems to lack a little bit of impact. Alright, I'm going to have to use this palette again to do my lower lash line because there is nothing in that new Tarte palette that's like, I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. I didn't read the description. I never do. Literally somebody shares it and I go, oh my god, a bargain! And this is why I own so much makeup I don't like. Okay, that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to do my bronzer, blush, and then might do my eyeliner as well. Alright, I was going to put on some liquid liner, but then I figured you wouldn't really be able to see how good the mascara is, so I'm not going to put any liquid liner on. But let's find this mascara. Lights Camera Lashes in this weird kind of purpley snake skin kind of thing. I hope this is black. Oh my god, could you imagine? 4-in-1 mascara. It doesn't say anything on it. Okay. Ooh, let's have a look. You better be black. Okay, I think it's black. We're all good. Alright, so I like the wand shape. It's not stupid. Ooh, I like it. Okay, this is like a good coating on this side, obviously, and I blobbed it there, but I'm just waiting for it to dry so I can scratch it off. I really like this mascara. It's like very thin and wispy, and like the brush is lovely because it's got a really nice point on it so you can get right into those inner corners. Like so. And then you can pull out these ones here on the side as well. I like it. You know, like sometimes when you put too much mascara on it, it kind of pulls them straight again, or is that just me because I have awful eyelashes? It's nice. Like you can really build it and get them really thick and chunky. But they look great. I'm impressed. Okay, well done, Tarte. You did something right. Oh, I didn't show you how I removed that mascara blob. If you just get like a spoolie or something scratchy, wait for your mascara to dry where you've blobbed it, and then just scratch it off and it comes off no problem. Okay, the final thing in the set is this lipstick, and I love the packaging. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful blue colour. This is in the shade Escape, and what exactly is it? I'm not sure if this is a me colour, but I'm going to try it. It smells like plastic. It feels nice. Oh, this is so weird putting a lipstick on. I usually use a liquid one. So this is insane. Why didn't I line my lips? That's what I want to know. I mean, it feels lovely and creamy. And very moisturising as well. It feels really nice. But I'm not sure about the colour. Okay, so that's everything that you get in the Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Up Your Routine kit. Altogether, I paid like just less than half price for it. I think it was £44.90 from QVC. It should have been £70, but postage was £4.95. The good thing about buying off QVC is that you can pay in instalments. So instead of like whacking out, you know, 50 quid a pop, you can just pay like £15 instalments plus your postage. So it works out quite well, actually. Let me just give you my opinions on everything. The foundation, I like how it looks. It is a really nice light coverage, which I'm not used to, which I think is why I was a little bit, what's going on here? But actually, like, the colour is really nice on me. I feel like it blends really nice into my neck. My powder like melted in really good with it. It didn't make it patchy or move it or anything, so that's really nice. Blusher and everything blended in fine. Not sure about this. Like, I like the softness of it, but I don't like the shape of it. Like, it needs to be pointy. Make it a point, and then I can get in my eyes and stuff. Like, it just, don't know. It's okay for foundation, but I wouldn't use it again to set my concealer. This, no, I don't like it. I don't, there's too many shimmers. Like, what is going on? Like, one matte, it just doesn't, I don't see the point. Like, and why do you need 5 different gold shades? Why does one person need 5 different golds? Like, that is crazy. To me, you'd be much better off getting this Tartelette in Bloom. I know I bang on about it, but it is awesome. You get 2 different golds in it and all these different mattes. In fact, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's amazing. You get like 9 or 10 mattes in it. So, like, you can create so many different looks. You've got the cool at the top, medium, and then the warm at the bottom. Like, just get this. Do not waste your time trying to get this, because honestly, what is the point? Like, look, it's just all the same. They are all the same. No. Lights, Camera Lashes Mascara, amazing. Like, I completely forgot how good high-end mascaras are because I've been using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise and loving it. So it was a really nice treat to get a high-end mascara. Yeah, I adore this. I definitely will be using it again. I've got nothing else. I've got no eyeliner on or false lashes or anything. It feels really light as well. Like, they don't feel like clogged down and clumpy. I just really, really love this. Definitely will be buying this again. And the lipstick, yeah, it's nice. Really moisturising, but that's probably because I'm not used to wearing lipstick. I always wear matte lipstick. I like that it's a full size as well. I love the packaging. I think it's really cute. It is a nice colour that I think would suit everybody as well, but as I say, it looks completely different on camera to how it looks in real life. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you want to ask me any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments down below. I love it when you guys like talk to me. It makes my day. So yeah, any questions or comments, please don't be afraid. I'm really nice. I always respond. I love talking to you guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. That would be awesome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.